I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup with chicken stock. First, begin by preparing your aromatic vegetables. Dice 1 medium onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. Sauté these in a large pot with a tablespoon of olive oil until softened, about 5 to 7 minutes. This step builds a flavorful base for your delicious homemade soup. Next, introduce your protein. Add about 2 cups of cooked, shredded chicken to the pot with your softened vegetables. Now, pour in 4 to 6 cups of your quality chicken stock. Stir in a bay leaf and a half teaspoon of dried thyme. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Allow your soup to simmer gently for at least 20 minutes, or until all vegetables are tender. This slow cooking process ensures maximum flavor extraction. Before serving, taste the soup and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your preference. You can also stir in fresh parsley for a bright finish. Your comforting chicken soup is now ready to enjoy. Ladle it into bowls and serve hot, perhaps with a sprinkle of fresh herbs or a side of crusty bread. This soup is perfect for a cozy evening or a quick, nutritious meal. Remember to check the description below for links to some fantastic deals, including those awesome car air fresheners and other great products. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.